Hello everybody and welcome to SolidCode. In this tutorial I'm going to implement a basic AI for this enemy tank. Basically right now I'm implementing a game that it has tanks, so the enemies need to follow the player. The player will be the green tank, and we need that our enemy follows or tries to find our player without colliding on the obstacles. So to do that, I will do it with the navigation system or Nav Mesh system, but I found that there are some things that changed recently for the most recent versions of Unity. So for example, if I go here to window, I do not see the AI option. So I will show you how to implement this type of behaviors or this type of features in this Unity version. So first, you need to go to Window and go to Package Manager, and you need to go to the Unity registry and try to find Nav, and it should appear the AI navigation. So we click on Install. Once it finishes the installation, we should go to Window and we should see the AI here. So now this is working. So we are going to click on navigation and we can see this. We can see the agents and areas options. Usually we should see here the option to bake the scene where we want to apply the Nav Mesh, but this changed recently. So what we are going to do is go to our scenario. For example, in my case, I have here the platform, and this platform has all the colliders, I mean the walls and the obstacles. So what I'm going to do here is to create an empty nav mesh surface. So for now this is going to be an empty object, and the second thing that I'm going to do is to click on all the elements of the platform, and I'm going to check them as static. I'm going to click on yes, and now I have all these elements as static. Then I need to go to the NavMesh surface, and I'm going to add here this component, NavMesh surface. So what I'm going to do here is to leave this as it is right now, and I'm going to click on bake. And as we can see here, now it created the surface, and as you can see it takes into account the obstacles. So now we have the surface, but we need to implement the agent in order to have our Nav Mesh system working. In order to do that, I will create a new script, and in here I will implement the enemy behavior. Then I will click on my enemy object and I'm going to add that script. So now we have that script that it doesn't have anything, and we need to add a Nav Mesh agent for this object. So we have it there. I'm going to update this because I need it to be slower than that. And now we need to implement the script. So I'm going to open the script, and in our script we need to add the Unity engine.ai. We are going to have a game object as the destination. In our case will be the green tank, and we need to add here the NavMesh agent reference, and in the start function we need to get the component, and in the update function we are going to set the destination of our NavMesh agent to the position of our destination. So if I go to Unity, now we should see this script with the new option, and what we need to do is in the destination, we are going to drag and drop the tank, which is in my case the green tank, that is the main player. Now I will run the game, and the red tank should follow us. And it should take into account the obstacles. So now, as we can see, we have a basic AI implementation for this. So thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe, and see you the next time. Bye.